This was developed in the 1998, and the thought was that you would apply a current, heat it up a little bit, but then have a gap or a pause that would allow the heat to be taken away by the tissues so that you didn't cook the tissues, you expose them to an electrical current, and that electrical current created an electrical modification of the nerve and a neuromodulation of the nerve and a change in the structure without cooking. You've got a signal that goes in an electrical current and then a pause, and then an electrical current and then a pause. And by doing this RF energy in pulse lesions, it allows the temperatures not to exceed 42 degrees Celsius. And that is felt to be not a neurolytic, but rather a modulator.